Hey, how to break no more, the immediate action. So now we're gonna go about the values Trinity, the sainted um, decision making test. So it's a filter. How does it work? How do you do this? Take a decision, like a big time decision that you have, like just pending in the back of your mind, like pondering you every freaking day, and you don't know what to do about it, how to go about it. So you just take this. Then you name your top three values out loud. For instance, love, transparency, knowledge. And then you ask yourself, does this honor love, transparency, and knowledge? Does this honor love, honesty, and knowledge? And then if it's yes, then it's snap. I'm okay with it. I can go about it. It's like it's good. Whatever the outcome is, I don't have to worry a thing about it. I don't have to feel anxious about it because I know that is the right thing to do for me. But if you have like one or more that is not checked, then it's like you need to revise a bit the decision, right? You need to see how you can make it work with the three thing where you could say yes. So then the exercise is more about like how could it not comply, because I don't like really like the word of compliance. But how could I make it fit in this frame? How could I make it more loving, make it more honest, make it more transparent, make it more loving, make it more knowledgeable, right? This puts you in the habit of going about your values. It helps you to bypass a lot of this mind hustle and the analysis paralysis. It helps you to remove the analysis paralysis with a pre-decided filtering system that you trust because you've gone through it several times and you know that it's effective for you. You can do this for any decision that takes more than 2 minutes to think about. We all right? Much love.